In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create API tokens on your Wise account. If you're connecting your app, website, or internal tools to Wise, an API token is what grants secure, programmatic access without exposing your password. Think of it like a special, limited key you can create and control at any time. First, make sure you're signed in to your Wise account on the web. On the top right of the page, click your profile name or avatar to open the account menu. This is where settings and advanced options live, so it's the quickest way to reach the tools you need. From the menu, choose Integrations and Tools. This section is dedicated to developer-oriented features and third-party connections, so you're in the right place for creating tokens. Next, select API tokens. Here you'll see any existing tokens you've created, along with options to manage them. This is your central hub for adding, reviewing, and organizing tokens tied to different projects or environments. Click Add New Token. You'll be asked to set a few important details. Start by entering a clear, descriptive name. Use something that helps you remember what it's for, like the system, team, or environment it belongs to. Good names make future maintenance easier. Then choose the permission. This defines what the token can do. As a best practice, pick the least access necessary for your use case. If your tool only needs to read data, select a read-only permission. If it needs to initiate actions, choose the appropriate broader access. Keeping permissions tight reduces risk and keeps your setup compliant with internal policies. Optionally, you can add allowed IP addresses. This is an extra security layer that restricts token usage to requests coming from specific locations, such as your server's IP or your company's network. If you know exactly where your requests will originate, adding an allo list helps prevent misuse from unknown sources. Once you've named the token, selected the correct permission, and if needed, specified allowed IP addresses, click Create. That's it. The token is now generated and ready to use in your integration. Treat the token like a password. Store it securely, don't share it publicly, and rotate it periodically as part of good security hygiene. If at any point you no longer need access, you can return to the same API tokens page to review or remove tokens you've created. You've just created an API token on your Wise account, giving your systems a safe and controlled way to connect. Thanks for watching, and happy building.